So you can see this is my NOCO Genius 5x1 charger. Now 5 amps doesn't sound like a lot, but if this battery was completely dead, that's about the capacity of 2 full-size Group 24 car batteries, the usable capacity. It can recharge it in 20 hours with just this little one. Now they make a 10x1, and when I say by one, what that means is you're doing 5 amps out of one output, so one battery itself or one bank. Now they have systems for boats that are sealed. This is waterproof, so most of your other chargers are not going to be waterproof super fancy, so you got to be real careful about that. So this system is completely waterproof. I think it's IP, what is it, 68 or something. It's really capable. This is a very, very small unit, but it's designed to be permanently mounted. It doesn't come with clamps. It's literally designed to be clamped to your battery. They do make other ones that are not. This one would be great for a small boat with a single battery. In my situation, I have solar power coming in, I have engine power coming in, and I want to have something to get power from the shore to charge it. So I'm going to use either a 5x1 or a 10x1. Now they also make the by 2s or by 3 or by 4. So you can buy a 5x2. So it will charge 2 different batteries, 2 different levels, 2 different states of charge. It can do it completely, which is really slick. So my NOCO screen has a couple informational pieces. One, it's telling me that I'm on lithium. Now, depending on the kind of battery you have, if you've got a sealed battery, that's going to be your AGM batteries, your sealed lead acid, you can do those. If you are going to be a flooded battery, you're going to pick the first one. So just by picking here, you can pick the different battery types, and there's also a repair mode over here. So if you need to, you can bump over into the repair mode, and that, if you have lead acid batteries, is going to desulfate them. It's going to get all the scale off of those plates, or try to with high frequency to clean up your battery. So this has actually got a repair in it. It also does have a very low refresh mode. So if your battery has been completely drained, a really big common problem with battery chargers is they end up that they can't charge when the battery is too low. Even some lithiums will go into a protection mode, and you have to be able to charge them. What you can do with this is there's a way to bypass it and to tell it to charge down to 1 volt. So it'll charge a battery up from a really poorly deep cycled battery, and it'll bring it all the way back. So